welcome back to Shiza's Playroom. I'm going to read this book called Elmer Blunt's Open House by Novak. Elmer Blunt's Open House by Novak. To Victor. One morning, Elmer Blunt overslept. He was late for work and did not close the door properly. Some animals saw the open door and went into the house. They explored the kitchen, the living room, the bathroom, and the bedroom. They heard a noise downstairs and hid in the closet. Someone else had discovered the open door. The thief explored Elmer Blunt's house. Furs, he exclaimed. "They're alive!" he howled. He ran down the stairs, through the house, and out the door, slamming it behind him. That night, when Elmer Blunt came home from work, he said, "I really made a mess this morning." So he cleaned every room and he went to sleep in a safe, quiet home. The end. I hope you like this book. If you did, subscribe and give a big thumbs up if you like it. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching.